lot of pickles. I just picked one. This is my Boston. These are the regulars. There's a lot on here. Some of them. You see them in there. Yep. Got the bees. There's a couple over here. Not as many as its neighbor. A Swiss chard, I can pick some Swiss chard. I'm going to pick some Swiss chard later, probably. Pepper plant's getting big. I don't know where the peppers are. Sooner or later, I guess. This is supposed to be a dwarf sunflower. There's some flowers getting ready, but that thing's got to be like 3 feet tall. Like usually they were about that big and that big, but some of them just took off. I don't know, but anyway, it's hot, 100 degrees out. It's not even, it's just past noon. That's about it. Nasturtiums, yeah, they were going at it pretty good. They're still flowering, but the leaves, they die back really quick. That's about it. Can is getting big. It'll be a while before they have flowers. Well, they're doing good. I got a weed. It's always something, man. Anyway, peace.